obviously the team has expanded and we are able to do 20 things only because AI has helped us to do this. नहीं तो कर ही नहीं पाते.
अब ये एडॉप्शन की बात है. राज तो चलिए राज ने तो दोस्ती कर ली है एआई से, ये तो समझ में आता है. बट व्हेन यू लुक एट द पैटर्न अराउंड यू, राइट, आपकी टीम में आई एम श्योर मिलेनियल्स भी होंगे, जेनजीज भी होंगे. डू यू सी अ डिफरेंस इन द वे both these generations work and the way they are adopting and using AI?
Absolutely. Gen Zs have an advantage in this era, in this generation, in this AI world. Because other generations, first they saw it as a competitor. Then they saw it as somebody who will replace them. Then they saw it as, oh, it's giving me average answers and it's not as good as me, right? And that
like
they have that ego
boost.
to about it, right? Gen Zs don't see it at all. Gen Z is like, oh, एक और चीज आई, चलो इसको use करते हैं. They are seeing it as fun friend. They are using it to get lazier, and that's amazing, right? That's incredible. कि अगर मैं घर पे बैठे बैठे जो 5 काम करने थे मुझे, उसमें से 3 तो मैं इसको देके काम करा सकता हूँ. It's that is making us more efficient and that is giving us edge. That's why we are learning it more. It has become part of our life because we see it as a friend and we have absolute zero shame or zero ego and zero fear that it'll do anything to us, because we see it as a tool which is going to help us get better, not as a tool which is replacing us. So that mindset, because of that mindset, Gen Zs have an advantage which no other generation has.
Wow. Interesting. So I'm going to ask a couple of questions and then I'm going to throw the floor open for questions. So keep them ready. We have got the mics here. Okay. ठीक है. So अब आपने ये you spoke about this, the fact that you're able to do so much more. Are we moving to a world, Raj, where we will have solo unicorns powered by AI?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Someone somewhere is in making. And not because of isolation, कि कोई अकेले बैठ के कुछ बहुत कुछ उखाड़ लेगा या कर लेगा. Just because of the ability to design more systems and the ability to run a particular system, a particular task 24/7 just by itself on an automation, it's going to change people's way and trajectory of businesses. So we are very, very close to see somebody who's going to be a solo unicorn, who's going to be a solo billionaire, who's going to be a one-person company running like thousands of crores of revenue just by themselves.
ये लेजी वाली बात कही, उस पे मैं थोड़ा आना चाहता हूँ कि do you think there is this thing कि AI चूंकि सारी चीजें करता है, आप अपनी cognitive जो आपकी जो ability है वो आप कम use करते हो. Earlier, say for example, if you were to make a presentation, you will try to think of a different way to approach, kind of look at a disruptive start, stuff like that. Ab you're giving that job to AI to think creatively. Give me a creative way to start the presentation, right? So you're not using your brain there. So do you think that will have an impact in the long term?
I have a contrarian opinion on this, right? I believe AI की वजह से कोई हम cognitive abilities खो नहीं रहे हैं, हम बस खुद को expose कर रहे हैं. AI is exposing us. People who were not using their brain before are getting dumber because they were going to get dumber anyway. People who were using their brain to think very strategically and they were challenging their brain, their thinking capabilities, their imagination, their execution capabilities, their way of dealing with life and decisions, they are using AI to think even more, to do even complex tasks जो पहले वो नहीं available थे. So somebody who's a good thinker and has always been a first principles thinker, is always been somebody जो अपने आप को challenge करता है बहुत ज़्यादा, वो AI की वजह से तो जो 10 दिन में challenge करता था दिमाग को, वो 1 दिन में कर पा रहा है. So it's not that AI is making dumber. AI is just drawing a line between dumb people and smart people. It's just exposing more and more people. And that's true. जिसको भी देख लो आप, जो सोचता है बहुत ज़्यादा सोचता है वो एआई के बाद और ज़्यादा सोचने लगा है, वो कम नहीं सोच रहा है। और जो पहले भी नहीं सोचता था वो आलसी करके इधर उधर से कॉपी पेस्ट करता था चीज़ें, वो एआई के थ्रू और ज़्यादा कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा है। अब तो शायद